Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about Indian Desi diet plan. You can lose up to 10 kgs in 10 days if you follow the diet plan as mentioned in this video. You can do your best by sticking to this Indian diet plan and you can reach to your goal weight and lose 10 kgs in 10 days, and for better results you can follow this diet plan for at least 30 days. You can see different Indians here to follow this diet plan and have lost weight. The meal plan of this diet plan, it consists of the pre-breakfast recipe. For the pre-breakfast, you have to take overnight soaked figs with the 15 minutes of waking up, or you can take my chia seeds detox. For breakfast, you have to take egg omelette with a cup of green tea, or you can take my oats power bowl as mentioned. You can take any of the oatmeal, as here I have taken the fruit oatmeal of Sea Mile from Australia. In the snake one, which is 2 hours after breakfast, you have to take coconut water. It can be any brand coconut water, or you can take a coconut piece and dip into the water and soak it for 15 minutes. For lunch, you have to take dal with oats roti and raita along with some onions and chilies. You have to take a small portion of the bowl in order to control your diets, and you cannot take only wheat bread because it will be difficult to lose weight with the wheat bread. You can take the oats like roti by grinding the oats and making its flour. Snake 2 consists of 2 hours after lunch. It consists of the regular coconut water that I mentioned in the snake 1. For dinner, you have to take rice with any vegetables and leftover dal from lunch. 2 hours after dinner, which is bedtime, you can take the ajwain tea, which is very good for your belly fat and will reduce your belly fat. If you feel hungry before bedtime, you can take a glass of warm milk. You can replace your oil with ghee. You cannot take any oil in this diet plan. You can use any brand oil. Here I am using a seal vegetable ghee from India. Say no to any salad dressing. You cannot take any mayonnaise. Stay hydrated, drink at least 2 liters of water per day. 15 minutes or 30 minutes of fast walk gives the best results for this diet plan. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you like my videos and follow my diet plans. Stay keep in touch and bye guys.